Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this super easy everyday look that everyone can achieve in less than 10 minutes. And if you want to see how I created it, then please keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to prime my eyes using the Louise base in the shade 02. I decided to film something quick and easy because I just moved to a different state a month ago and then got sick for a few weeks. I still wasn't feeling well when filming this video, so this is just to get me back into filming this year. Today I'll be using the BU palette from LA Girl, and I'm gonna be going with this light shade all over the lid just to set the base so it doesn't crease. Next I'm gonna go with this brown shade, and that's gonna be our darkest shade because I really want this look to be daytime appropriate and not too dark. And I'm using Morphe E36 pencil brush to apply it on the outer corner. Next I'm gonna go with this light brown, and I'm using Morphe E18 brush to diffuse the edges of the previous shade. I'm kind of just like going over everything and also blending it into the lighter shade that I applied all over the lid. When there's barely any product left on the brush, I'm bringing it into the crease just to give some definition but still keep it very light. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit more of the darker brown on the outer corner just to help me visually lift the eye and blend it out one more time. Using the same Morphe E36 brush, I'm going to bring the same shade halfway on my lower lash line. Now using the same lighter brown, I'm going to blend it out. As you can see, this whole look is like 3 shades and 2 or 3 brushes. You can use your finger to apply the light shade all over the lid. I decided to go with the same matte eyeshadow that I applied all over the lid to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. If you want to use a highlighter or some kind of shimmer, you can. I just decided to keep it all matte for this video. Now, as for the next step, you can totally skip it if you're not gonna wear false lashes. This will look great with just mascara on. It's not that look where you feel like something is missing if you don't wear falsies, but I will be applying false lashes, so I'm going to apply some eyeliner just along my lash line to help me hide the bend. For the lashes, I'll be using Kiss in style Brassiere. Very inexpensive, and I think they're really cute. So here's the finished look, very quick and easy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!